My name is Yasmin Damia binti Badrul Hisham.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Anisha binti Muhammad Abdul Kamal.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atirah binti Izhari.
Hi, my name is Alia binti Zul Hashimi.
Now, I will begin by explaining the objectives of our project. Our project is called Homebuddy Home Service System, which is a web-based platform designed to connect customers who require home services with the service providers who offer those services. The first objective of our system is to provide a platform that connects customers with the verified home service providers. Through Homebuddy, customer can find suitable service provider while having greater confidence that the providers have gone through a verification process. Our second objective is to implement a subscription-based system for service providers. Through this system, service providers can register their business, subscribe to a plan, manage their service listing, and promote their services through the platform. Next, we aim to provide customers with an efficient way to search, compare, and book home services. To achieve this, our system focuses on three main customer features, which are the service search, booking, and rating and review features. Another objective is to improve transparency. Before making a booking, customer can view important information such as the service description, pricing, provider information, ratings, and previous customer reviews. We also aim to improve customer trust and confidence through two mechanisms: the service provider verification process and the rating review system. This allows customers to make a more informed decision when selecting a service provider. Lastly, Homebuddy provides an administrator module for managing and monitoring the platform. Administrators can manage customers and service provider, verify service provider application, manage service categories, and monitor booking and system activities. Overall, our objectives are focused on providing a platform that is convenient for customers, beneficial for service providers, and manageable by administrator. Next, I will explain the system architecture used to develop Homebuddy. Homebuddy is developed based on the Model View Controller or MVC architecture together with the Data Access Object pattern. As shown in this diagram, we separate our files into four main components: View, Controller, Model or Bin, and DAO. The DAO then communicates with our MySQL database. We also organize these components according to our three main modules, which are Customer, Service Provider, and Administrator. Starting with the View layer. This layer consists mainly of our GSP files and is responsible for the user interface that user interact with. We have separate views for each module. For the customer module, we have GSP pages such as browservice.jsp, book.jsp, bookingdetails.jsp, payment.jsp, and rating.jsp. These pages allow customers to browse services, make bookings, perform payments, and submit ratings. For the service provider module, we have pages such as sppending.jsp, spupcoming.jsp, spservice.jsp, spprofile.jsp, and spreviews.jsp. This interface allows providers to manage their bookings, services, profiles, and customer reviews. For the administrator module, we have JSP's pages such as admin-dashboard.jsp, admin-customer.jsp, admin-service-provider.jsp, admin-service-category.jsp, and admin-verification-document.jsp. These pages provide the interfaces required for system administration. Therefore, the main responsibility of the view is to display information to the user and collect user input. Next is controller layer, which is implemented using Java servlets. The controller acts as the intermediary between the user interface and the back end of the system. When a user performs an action on GSP page, the request is sent to the appropriate servlet for processing. For the customer module, we have servlets such as Browse Service Servlet, Booking Servlet, Payment Servlet, Rating Servlet, and Cancel Booking Servlet. For example, when a customer submits a booking, the Booking Servlet receives the booking information, process the request, and communicates with the required back-end component. For the service provider module, we have servlets such as SP Pending Servlet, SP Accept Servlet, SP Decline Servlet, SP Add Service Servlet, SP Edit Service Servlet, and SP Mark Complete Servlet. For example, when a service provider accepts a pending booking, the request is handled by the appropriate servlet, which processes the action and updates the booking information. For the administrator module, the controller includes servlets such as admin dashboard servlet, admin customer servlet, admin service provider servlet, admin booking servlet, and admin verification document servlet. These servlets handle administrative requests such as retrieving user information, managing service category, monitoring bookings, and processing service provider verification. So, regardless of the module, the controller's main responsibility is to receive requests, process user action, communicate with the model or DAO, and determine the next view to display. Next is the model or bin layer. This layer represents the data used throughout the Homebuddy system. The bin classes contain the properties required to store and transfer information between different layers of the application. For the customer module, we have model classes such as customer.java, booking.java, service.java, payment.java, and review.java. These classes represent customer-related data such as customer information, booking details, selected services, payment information, and reviews. For the service provider module, we have bins such as provider.java, booking.java, plan.bin.java, subscription.bin.java, and other service provider specific bins. These are used to represent providers' information, booking records, subscription plan, dashboard information, and review information. For the administrator module, we use several admin bins to represent information required to administrative function, such as booking data, customer data, provider data, dashboard statistics, plans, points, taxation, and reports. Therefore, instead of passing individual values throughout the application, we can store related information inside the appropriate bin object and use the object between the different layers. Next, we have the Data Access Object or DAO layer. The DAO layer is responsible for communicating directly with the database. We separate database operation from our servlet so that SQL queries and database logic are not placed directly inside the controller. For the customer module, we have DAO classes such as customer DAO, booking DAO, payment DAO, review DAO, and address DAO. These classes handle database operation related for the customer profiles, addresses, bookings, payments, and reviews. For the service provider module, we use DAO class such as service provider DAO, booking DAO, SP dashboard DAO, SP profile DAO, SP review DAO, and SP verification DAO. The DAOs retrieve or update provider-related information in the database. For the administrator module, we have DAOs such as admin customer DAO, admin service provider DAO, admin booking DAO, service category DAO, and reports DAO. These classes support the administrative function by retrieving and managing the required system records. Finally, the DAO communicates with the MySQL database, where the actual system records are stored. These include customer accounts, service provider information, services, bookings, payments, subscription, review, and other system data. Now, we will demonstrate the Homebuddy system. This is the main landing page of our system and it can be accessed by users before they log in. The homepage provides an overview of Homebuddy and allows users to easily navigate to the main information and function of the system. At the top, we have the navigation bar, which includes services, how it works, support, login, and sign up. In the main section, we introduce Homebuddy as platform that connects customer with home service provider. We provide two main options here. I need services is for the customer who are looking for the home services, while I am company is for service providers who are interested in offering their services through Homebuddy. When we scroll down, we have the Our Services section, or you can simply click the services at the navigation bar. This section gives user an overview of the different services category available in Homebuddy, such as plumbing, cleaning, caregiving, electrical services, painting, and gardening. The purpose of this section is to help visitors quickly understand the types of home services supported by our platform. Next, we have the How It Works section. This provides a simple overview of the customer booking process. First, the customer needs to log in or sign up. After that, they can choose a service and book an appointment based on their preferred service date and time. The booking request will then be sent to the service provider for the confirmation. Once the service has been completed, the customer can provide a rating and review based on their experience. This section helps first-time users understand the overall process before using the system. The homepage also provides access to the support page. This page contains frequently asked questions to assist users with the common issues such as how to book a service, how to register as service provider, and how to manage an appointment. If users require further assistance, they can also refer to the contact information provided on this page. Lastly, we also provide a disclaimer page which is accessible through the footer. This page explains that Homebuddy is an educational project and provides information regarding official affiliation, data privacy, limitation of use, and intellectual property. It also includes information about the website and our development team. Overall, the Homebuddy homepage acts as the main entry point to the system. It introduces the purpose of Homebuddy, present the available services, explain how the platform works, and provide an access to the support, login, and registration.
Hands for every home need Homebuddy. Connect with trusted. Grow your business by joining a service company. I'm a company. Let me create account. I don't even have an account yet. Let's see. No, we do need to file. So, your planning. Can see this as postcode, phone number, city, last time, password, password, 1, 2, 3, okay, dah. So what's business description? Describe the professional service you offer. Huh. Weather, care, and solutions, provides professional home care and landscaping service throughout the town. Yeah, we do. Our service include training, garden, maintenance, lawn care, home assistant, mm, personal caregiving, housekeeping, meal preparation, daily living for residential, commercial life. Sounds good. Register account. Service provider account created successfully. Then we log in. TCGS login. Login successful as service provider. Upload your verification document to unlock full access. Huh? What you mean? Full access? Oh, I cannot add service if I'm not verified yet. What do I do? What do I do? 10 point. Oh, verification. So I like, what is this? Business registration SSM. Organizing certificate. So I just search SSM. We do have that. Then upload. Oh wow. So pending review. So I my account is under review. When I see submit official. So what should I do? Your application is under admin review. Kindly wait for approval. Okay, let's wait then.
Oh, there has a new provider that I need to verify now. So I need to verify this new service provider. So I click verification document to view all the documents. So the document that's submitted by the service provider is very complete and valid. So I accept the service provider now. So now the new service provider is verified by the admin.
Welcome back, Kedah Care and Green Solution. That means Emir have verified. Oh wow, it turned green. So I'm verified now. Yes. Alright, so I guess we need to subscribe. Platinum. What is this? Platinum 300. Wow. Oh, negative 1 point. Lead action cost match deduction. So it means after completed service, we'll deduct 1 point. Better than 5 point, 3 point, 300 point bonus. Online, confirm checkout, platinum. Yep, today. Status active, free 300 point. Let's just add 600 point. 120. Credit, debit, confirm payment. 900. Let's go. Then what should I do? Service. Yeah, obviously. I can add service now since I already verified. Let's trimming and garden maintenance. Select category, gardening and landscaping. Professional tree trimming. Hedge cutting, lawn mowing, weed removal, garden cleanup. We do everything. And general landscape maintenance for residential and commercial properties. The service help maintain healthy plants, improve safety, avoid sometimes too much, and keep outdoor space clean and attractive. Attractive sounds good. Wait, let me see. 180. Yep, let's do this. Nice. Wow. Hmm. Wait, there's nothing I need to change. That's all. Okay, then what should I do? Waiting. Right, let's wait.
Okay, here's the situation. My mom is busy. I'm stuck in Alosta for work. But my grandmother in Kulim needs a caregiver. I've been looking everywhere, but honestly, I'm scared of getting scammed. There are so many fake profiles out there. Hang on. I think my friend mentioned something called Homebuddy before. She said she used it to find a home service provider and had a really good experience. Let me search for it.
Oh, here it is. Homebuddy. Skilled hands for every home need. Okay, this already looks trustworthy. Since I'm trying to find a caregiver for my grandmother, let me see what they have. I need services. Alright, this is the one I need. Let me check it out. Looks like I need to log in first. But I don't have an account yet. I guess I need to create an account first. Alright, here's the registration form. Let me fill this in. And lastly, for password, I'll just put Alia. And register account. Oh, wait. It says the password must be at least 6 characters. Let me put password 123 and register. And register. Yes, registration successful. Now I can log in. Then click login. Wait, that's it. I'm in and I'm automatically taken to the browse service page. Wow, okay, that was easy. I can already see the service providers are arranged based on their ratings and reviews. That definitely makes it easier to choose someone reliable. Anyway, I need a caregiver for my grandmother in Kulim, Kedah. So let me filter it to Kedah and caregiving services. What? No results? There's nobody providing caregiving services in Kedah? That's really sad. My grandmother needs help. Okay, I guess I just have to wait and hope a provider becomes available soon.
I think I need to add our second service, which is caregiving, right? Caregiving and home assistant. What if I just add service? Caregiving service. We compassionate caregiving services for seniors, patients, and individuals requiring daily assistance. We include personal care support, meal preparation, and cooking. Medication, we do medication too. Medication monitors, a little bit of housekeeping, companionship, and assistance with daily living activities in a safe and comfortable home environment. Yep. Much. Not too expensive, I guess. That's service. Alright. Right, now let's wait.
Okay, let me just try refresh and see if there's any new service available in Kedah. Yes, there it is. Caregiving and home assistance from Kedah Care and Green Solutions. I'm so relieved. Let me book this right now. I'll choose the date first. Let's set it for 29th at 9 a.m. Now I need to confirm the address. Since this is for my grandmother, I will add her address here. and confirm selection, adding it to cart, view cart. Oh wait, 9 a.m. might be a little too early for my grandmother. Let me change the time to 10 a.m. instead. That should be better. Alright, everything looks good now. Let me proceed with payment. I'm going to choose banking, pay now, and payment successful. Oh, my booking is currently pending. Now I just need to wait the service provider to accept my request. Okay, I can track my booking status here. I will keep checking for any updates. Hopefully, the provider accepts it soon.
Hmm. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Caregiving Alia binti Zul. Lu stop. Alright, let's accept job. Wait, view details first. Hmm. Tomorrow, 29 July, 10 a.m. Custom information. Wow. Total amount paid. Wow. Oh. Wait, like this. Okay. Let's accept the job. Accept this booking. Yes. Okay, let's do the job.
Let me check my booking status. Oh wow! It says confirm. The provider accepted it. I can see the booking details here. And the cancel button is disabled now since the provider has accepted the request. Great, I will just wait for the service to be complete. Now let me check my profile. Everything looks good. Wait, I just noticed my address has a small mistake. I accidentally put the wrong house number. Let me update it. The house number should be number 10, not number 1. Save the changes. Perfect. My profile has been updated. It's nice that I can easily edit my details whenever I need to.
Hmm. Today is so good. The grandma is so kind and sweet. So what about the booking? There's no new booking. Okay, let's mark it as complete. Yes, I've done. Yep. Oh, no complete booking. Oh, maybe customer need to accept first. Mark as complete first, the customer side. Probably. Let's wait.
Oh, the provider has marked the service as complete. I just need to confirm it on my side. Done.
No new. Oh, it already complete, right? Oh. Oh. So it's two sides. I mark as complete and the customer is complete too. Wait, the point is deducted. Before this it was 900. Now it's 899. 1 point. That's me according to my plan. Which deduct 1 point when I am platinum. That's why people choose platinum. Alright, completed. Nice.
Done. Now I can leave a review. I will give 5 stars because the service was really good. My grandmother was happy with the care she received. Let me share my experience.
Oh, so this is the part where I see. Wow, 5 star. Good service and friendly caregiver. I booked it for my grandmother and she received proper care throughout visits. Overall positive experience. I need to reply. What do I say? Hmm. I cannot just submit like that. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so thank you for leaving a positive comments. It was nice taking care and spending sweet time with your grandmother. Grandmother. Sabi respond. My first ever booking was a success. Yay!
Hmm. We got our first ever booking. I need to tell my teammate whether we should accept this job or not.
I think I want to cancel this booking. Cancel booking. And I will select change my mind as the reason for cancellation. And confirm.
Whoa, we need to accept. We need to accept. Where is the booking? No way she cancel it. What? It's been only a few minutes. She cancel it. Hmm. Hmm. Wow, we got our first ever booking. But I just started. We just started. We just opened. We don't even have enough. Hmm. Oh, 29 tomorrow. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'm sorry, Mrs. Alia. We need to decline because it's cannot do this job. Hmm. So the decline might go to cancel.
Wait, my booking was declined? Oh no! I was really hoping this service would be available. That's disappointing. But I guess I will have to look for another provider who can help my grandmother.
So this is the customer interface. Booking, booking, booking. The card. Okay. Continue to payment. Pay now. Cancel. Change my mind. Yeah. This is fun. Let's do it again. Cozy. I hate you, Cozy. Hmm. Hmm. Hey. Hmm. Hmm. Cancel. I found a better price. Try again. Hmm. Continue to payment. Right, just give them a few minutes. Few minutes. Few minutes. Few minutes. Cancel. Do I need a reason? No. I just hate you. There should be an option at here. Reason for cancellation? I hate this company so much. Cancel and refund. Okay. No reason. It's been a month. I only got one completed job. Let's look at the booking. Wait a minute. A raining service cancelled. 28 July. Pet care 29 cancelled. Laundry 30 July cancelled. Amir Hafiz. Amir Hafiz. Amir Hafiz. What is wrong with this customer?
While monitoring the booking management page, I noticed that Amirul Hafiz had made more than 3 bookings cancellations within a short period of time. So I will go to the customer management page and search for Amirul Hafiz. After reviewing the customer's account, I will suspend the account to prevent further misissue of the platform. Then I search back Amirul Hafiz account. Then now this customer account has been suspended due to the repeated booking cancellations, and the customer can be unsuspended later if the issue has been resolved.
Let's disturb someone's life today. So your account has been suspended. Please contact admin. Why? They can't do that.
Next, while monitoring the ratings and review page, I noticed that the same service provider had received multiple low ratings and negative reviews from different customers. This may indicate a service quality issue that requires further investigation. As an administrator, it is our responsibility to monitor this type of feedback and take appropriate action when necessary. So I will go to the service provider management page and I search for the cleaning Malacca Pro. After reviewing the provider's account, I will suspend the account to prevent further issues. Once the account is suspended, the provider's account will become inactive and will no longer be able to access the system until the suspension is lifted. The provider can be unsuspended later and the account will become active again once the issue has been resolved.
I need to work. Go in. Service provider. What's my email? Oh, what's my email? CM. Wait. Oh my god. This password should be typed by itself. Log in. Huh? Your account has been suspended? Huh? No way. What you mean by suspend? Maybe my password is wrong. Password. No way. What?
Now I will continue with the admin interface. First, let's start with the admin login page. You need to log in using your admin email and password. Once logged in successfully, the system will redirect you to the admin dashboard. So every time you log in, this should be the first page you review. The dashboard provides an overview of the entire system. Next, we have the admin list page. This page displays all registered administrator accounts. Here you can review the list of admin in the system. If there is a new administrator, simply click the Add New Admin button to create a new admin account. You need to fill in the required information. After that, click the Create Admin button. The system will redirect you back to the admin list page where you can see the newly added administrator account here. Next, by selecting an administrator from the list, you can view their account details. Next, we have the service provider management page. Here you can see our registered service providers. If you are looking for a specific provider, you can use the search or filter function. The filter function is for verification status filter. And then you can see here, we have suspend and unsuspend buttons. If a provider violates our platform rules or needs to be temporarily restricted, you can click suspend. Once the issue has been resolved, you can click unsuspend to reactivate their account. To view more information, simply click on a provider from the list. Here you can see the provider's personal information, subscription plans, and account status. Next, we have customer management page. Here you can see our registered customers. You can also search for a customer if needed. This page, just like the service provider page, where you can suspend or unsuspend a customer account. Next, we have booking management page. This page displays all booking records in the system. If you need to find a specific booking, simply use the search or filter function for booking status. To view more information, simply click on the information from the list. Here you can view the booking details, payment information, and the current booking status. Next, we move to the subscription plan page. As an admin, you are responsible for managing the subscription plans available in the system. Here you can view all existing subscription plans. If you need to add a new subscription plan, simply click Add New Subscription Plan button, then fill in all required information. After that, click Add Plan button, and the new subscription plan will be added into the system. Besides adding a new plan, you can also update the existing subscription plans. For example, if there are any changes to the plan details, simply click the Edit Plan button. Let's say I want to change the price from 50 to 45. Then I click Save Changes. So now the price is updated. Then if you want to delete the plan, you can click delete this plan and the pop-up message will appear and you click OK. So now the plan successfully deleted. Then we move to the points management page. This page allows you to monitor all points transaction recorded in the system. Here you can use a filter function based on the transaction type. So when you click type deduction, then the record will appear based on the transaction type deduction only. Next, we have the service categories page. This page is used to manage the types of services available in the system. Here you can view all existing service categories. If you need to add a new service, simply click the Add New Service button, then enter the required service information, then click Add Category button. The new service will be added and displayed in the service category list. Then, if a service is no longer available, you can remove it from the system by clicking the Delete button. Before deleting, always make sure that the service is no longer needed to avoid removing the wrong information. Then the service deleted successfully. Next, we move to the ratings and review page. You can view all ratings and reviews submitted by the user. To find a specific feedback,
You can use the search function to search a provider name, or you can use filter function for providers, filter function for ratings, and you can use filter function for newest or oldest feedback, or highest or lowest rating. Next, we have the reports page. Here you can review the generated report to monitor the overall performance of the system and use the information for future improvement. Lastly, before we end the session, let me show you the disclaimer page first. This page provides important information and guidelines for users regarding the system. After reviewing the disclaimer page, you can proceed to log out from the system. Simply click the logout button to end your admin session and keep the account secure.
I was honestly worried about finding the right caregiver for my grandmother. But Homebuddy made everything so much easier. From searching for a provider to booking the service, the whole experience was super smooth. If you need a trusted home service, give Homebuddy a try.